Did you know you can legally avoid taxes, protect your assets, and create generational wealth with what's called the Twin Trust Strategy, or the TTS? This is a three-step process. Step number one is you're going to create the trust. You're going to need both a separate business and a separate personal. The business trust owns the business. The personal trust owns the assets. You're going to have K-1s and lease agreements that allow you to transfer money from one into the other. The trust is irrevocable, but that means you maintain discretionary power to manage it as the trustee, not lose control. Now, you're going to report net zero in the business trust, so you pay zero taxes because there was zero profit in the business. You're just going to zero it out, distribute all the money. Very simple. The personal family trust gets all of the money, but allows you to defer the taxes on passive income and capital gains, meaning there's no profit, so there's no tax. Step number two is you're going to fund the trust. The business, you're going to align the business interest and structure the leases so you can get the money out of the business trust. Then you're going to sell all the assets, tangible and non-tangible, into your family trust. You're giving up ownership, but not control. This is going to make your estate untouchable from lawsuits, creditors, IRS, liens, levies, divorce, and eminent domain. Step number three is generational wealth creation. You're going to use life insurance on all the members of the trust. Why? Because this is how you go from tax deferred to tax free, and you fund the trust from generation to generation. This is known as the Rockefeller method. Then the management and the entire structure is going to be passed from one generation to the next, exactly the way you would pass down a business. You don't pass down all the money and then the assets. You pass down the whole business and it gets a new manager. This is the only way that you can have 8 generations of people who don't have to work any longer. This is not my rule. This is God's rule. Proverbs 13:22. A good man's children leaves his children an inheritance. John D. Rockefeller created the Rockefeller Family Trust. Andrew Carnegie created the Bessemer Trust, and J.P. Morgan created the Piedmont Trust. This is the stuff of freaking legends. So if you want to learn how to use this strategy for your family, then go ahead and comment the word trust, and I'll show you exactly how it's done.